What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn the Tesumole dance with a jump rope. I recently uploaded my first dance rope video to my IG channel. You should definitely check that video out. It's really making a good wave, so I decided to teach you guys how to do this dance with the jump rope. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to this. So to do this Tesumole dance with the jump rope, you need to actually learn the dance before you later add or incorporate your jump rope. So let's practice the dance together. It's a very simple dance with two sequences. The first sequence you have to do it almost standing erect, while the second one you go below, but it's definitely the same thing and it's quite simple. So the first thing to do is you have to squat to the left, straighten up, to the right, straighten up, open wide, come back, then dip forward, fall behind, and tilt forward and go back, then come backwards, and that's how it is done. So I think I'm just messing up because I'm kind of explaining it. Let me try to do it now sequentially without the whole thing, and you see if you can follow. So you go down 1, 2, 1, 2, open, fall forward, fall backward, up, and you now enter this dance. You can do it like Naira Marley. So it's that simple, guys. So once you can do that dance perfectly, remember the sequence. You go left, straighten up, go right, straighten up, open, straighten up, fall forward, fall backward, tiptoe, your heels, then you later come and do you understand? You can add your swags, move your upper body, shake it the way you want. So now, to add the jump rope, right, it's very, very simple, because some of you might think this might be the most difficult part of the move. But once you get the basics, you can do the dance without any hitches, you have the sequences in your head. The only thing you have to do with the jump rope is just to keep winding your rope. So the more you stabilize your whipping, every other thing will fall in place. So let's try it and see. Remember your sequence. You go 1, 2, 3, 4 forward, backward, and so how I end mine, because I know I can't be doing the Tesumole like this, the normal Tesumole like this, and jumping through. It's quite difficult, so I had to just use my signature by winding the rope on my hand. This one is quite simple, anyone can do it. It's very, very simple. So that's where you can add your swags and every other thing. So the second sequence to this move is still the same, but you have to go squat very down, you have to go below. This is the most stressful part of this move. Even when I was doing it, it really got to me. I could even feel some sharp pain on my left knee. So what you do here is, after your first sequence, you go low, you come, you go low, you come forward, you fall behind, come behind, go front, go back, then you come up and do your Tesumole. So that's how it is done. But with the jump rope, this might be very, very stressful for you to do. So I advise you to go down very, very low. Just maintain a level which you can actually conquer, so that you don't end up with an injury or something to your knee. With that being said, you have to practice to get this move. Even if you cannot nail it for the first time, it's quite difficult for some people, especially if you have not been using rope too. So you can start with your basic bounce or boxer step. I enjoy using my boxer step. Let me try this one more time before we hit the music. Remember our sequence: to the left, to the right.
Which part of this move do you need to work on? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Your support has taken us this far, and we are really happy to have you. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your loved one, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on notification to catch up with our new content. Until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.